To add products on Amazon Seller, follow these steps. 1. Log into your Amazon Seller Central account and click on the Inventory tab. 2. Click on Add a Product or Add Products via Upload depending on whether you want to add one product at a time or multiple products at once using a spreadsheet. 3. Enter the product's UPC, EAN, or JAN barcode or search for the product using its name or ASIN, Amazon Standard Identification Number. 4. If the product is not already in Amazon's catalog, you will need to create a new product listing. Fill in all the required fields, including the product's title, description, price, and category. 5. Add product images by clicking on the Images tab and following the instructions provided by Amazon. 6. Set up shipping options by going to the Settings tab and selecting Shipping Settings. Choose the shipping method and rate that you want to offer for this product. 7. Determine the product's tax class by going to the Settings tab and selecting Tax Settings. Choose the appropriate tax rate based on the product's location and destination. 8. Add any additional product information, such as dimensions, weight, and material, by going to the Edit tab and filling in the relevant fields. 9. Review the product listing to ensure that all the information is accurate and complete. 10. Save the product listing and make it available for sale by going to the Manage Inventory tab and selecting the product. Click on the Edit button and choose Make Changes to activate the listing. 11. Monitor the product's sales and inventory levels by going to the Reports tab and selecting Sales and Traffic. 12. Restock the product as needed by going to the Manage Inventory tab and selecting the product. Click on the Edit button and choose Edit Quantity to update the inventory level. 13. Set up automatic reordering by going to the Settings tab and selecting Inventory Settings. Choose the Auto Reorder option and set the reorder quantity and frequency. 14. Manage customer returns by going to the Orders tab and selecting the return request. Follow the instructions provided by Amazon to process the return. 15. Respond to customer inquiries and feedback by going to the Customer Metrics tab and selecting the product. Review the customer reviews and ratings and respond to any negative feedback in a professional and timely manner. 16. Optimize the product listing for search engine optimization, SEO, by going to the Edit tab and filling in the relevant keywords and phrases. 17. Use Amazon's advertising tools, such as sponsored products and sponsored brands, to promote the product and increase sales. 18. Monitor the product's performance using Amazon's analytics tools, such as the Sales Dashboard and Business Reports, to identify trends and opportunities for improvement. 19. Stay up to date with Amazon's policies and guidelines, such as the product listing policies and the seller code of conduct, to ensure compliance and avoid any penalties or account suspension.